Hi guys, it's your boy Kuya Mon, and today is New Strings Day. So magpapalit ako ng aking strings for my D&D Django Jr. This is 36 inches na all mahogany body guitar. And right now, ang nakakabit dito na strings ay D'Addario EJ16 Gauge 1152. And for context, mga 3 weeks or 1 month na ang tagal nitong strings na to. This is how it sounds like. And also, for background, I have a very sweaty hands. So, mabilis na nag-tarnish ang strings na to. Pero nung bago, okay naman yung tone niya para sa akin. So, this is how it sounds like. And then plucking. Okay. And then, ang nabili kong bagong string ay ang D'Addario XS Gauge 1152. So, this is, sabi ng iba, this is on par sa quality ng Elixir strings na very, very known brand pagdating sa mga long-lasting strings. So, ito try natin to. Nakasulat dito ay Maximum Life Smooth Feel. So, titignan natin kung talagang maganda ang tunog ng ating bagong strings na D'Addario XS. So, ikukumpara natin yung old string side by side kapag nakapagpalit na tayo. So, hi guys! I'm done restringing my guitar and now nakakabit na yung D'Addario XS 1152. So, sound check na natin. Then, try naman natin ng plucking. So, unang-una napansin ko na i-compare natin siya sa Elixir strings. Personally kasi, sa experience ko sa Elixir is bright siya tumunog and ang tagal niyang mag-break in. Dito naman sa XS, ma-low end siya. Enhanced talaga yung low end niya. Tapos, damang-dama mo talaga yung yung lambot ng string. And smooth din yung feels niya. Some research sa Google with regards to the difference of Elixir and D'Addario XS. magkaiba yung kanilang coating technology. Ang ginagamit ng Elixir is heavy microwave or polymer tube coating that completely encapsulates the string. Tapos yung sa D'Addario XS naman, uses microscopic ultra-thin film coating applied only to the wrap wire, leaving the string feeling closer to uncoated. And sa kanila namang tone projection differences. The Elixir string is known for a bright, distinct initial tone that stays stable for months, though some players note a slight reduction in raw acoustic resonance or mid-range warmth, depending on the coating thickness. Sa XS naman, it offers slightly warmer, more natural, and robust low-end response that closely mimics the acoustic voice of uncoated string right out of the package, which is yun naman ang aking nadama talaga dito sa XS. So all in all, this is very sulit purchase. Kung gusto nyo ng talagang magtatagal na strings, ito ang bilhin nyo. Although, may mga tao din naman talaga na nagkagandahan sa Elixir. And, kung trip mo yung Elixir, go for Elixir. So, this one, nabili ko to mismo sa JB Music for 1,035. And, I think, affordable naman siya. Lalo na kung pangmatagalan na. So, thank you guys. And God bless.